I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the exact reel and claim details. This tells you whether it's music, video, or third-party content. Once done, sign into Creator Studio or Meta Business Suite so you can act immediately. Make sure to assemble evidence: original masters, license agreements, purchase receipts, or written permissions. You'll need clear timestamps and file names. This reduces back and forth. If you control the content, set ownership metadata, and check whether automated rights match your uploads. Doing so speeds resolution. Next, file the dispute through the claim details. Select the correct dispute reason because that shapes review criteria. You will upload evidence and add a concise explanation: who owns the content, when it was created, and why the claim is incorrect. Include license numbers or permission emails. Once submitted, note the claim ID and expected review time. Set calendar reminders. If music was licensed, state the license terms and show proof. Remember, clear facts and timestamps cut review time, so avoid vague statements. Finally, watch the status and answer any reviewer requests promptly. Timely replies keep your dispute active. If the dispute is denied, prepare an appeal with stronger documentation or request manual review from Meta support. Provide additional proof and legal identifiers when possible. Make sure to consider practical fixes: re-upload an edited version, mute or replace the claimed audio, or obtain a license and resubmit evidence. If things go wrong, document every communication and escalate through business support channels to preserve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.